Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS tables, and right now we'll be discussing about the table color in HTML CSS. The example below specifies the background color and the text color of the th element, which is the table header element. So I'm going to show you how this works together and form something nice for us. I don't want us to talk much about this because it's very nice when I demonstrate and not an English. So quickly, let's get started. This is what we have in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS tables and so on and so forth. We have discussed about many things right here, but right now I just want to specify something cool, something simple here. I want to remove some of this property I've specified so far, and I'm going to do like this. And right here I'm going to remove this one also. I'm removing it. Can you see now I'm having this table without any color, no any styling yet? So let me give it some styling. So the style I want to give it right here is that I want to give our table head, this is our table head, I want to give it background color and normal color. So I want to change the color of our table head, th, which is the table head. This th, if you don't know where I have this, I have it right here, which is our table head, the head section of our table. So I'm having this th right here. So I'm going to I'm selecting it and I'm trying to give it background color. I want to give it background color of blue. So when I give it background color of blue, you are going to see what will happen when I reload. Can you see now it's turning to blue background color? So when I want to change the text color also, if I want to change the text, I can just specify color. When I specify color property and I give it white or any other color if I want, when I reload my document now, can you see? You can see it's turned to white. And I've discussed about a lot about CSS color and so on. You can check our CSS color playlist to be able to follow along easily. And right here, if you notice very well, we are using RGB. We can use RGB color, we can use color name, we can use HSL, we can use a lot of different type of color you can use. So I'm not here to show you that right now because you can check our CSS color playlist to be able to follow along easily. Now again, if it's table data also, we want to change the color of the text, you can just set the background color to be green. After the background color turn to green, you can just give it color property, and we can just specify white also if you want. And if you want, you can specify any other color. Let's reload our document. All this data, all these elements that is inside our data element, all this text that is inside our data element, we are going to see it's going to turn to green and white. Can you see? It's turn to green and white. So this caption also, we can select it separately and give it any color we want, and we can do like this. Even we can give it border again. That is the bonus part. We can give it border again. We can just give it red. Can you see? Red solid. So red solid 2 pixel. So when you see this, you are going to see it's going to look nice again. Can you see? So you can do a lot with your document. It just depends on what you want to do. Even the caption also, you can just select the caption also. You can give it background color. When we give it background color, you can give it background color blue violet. The blue violet. After that, we can just give the main color. You can just give the main color white. So just depend on what you want to do. Just practice, because practice makes one. When I reload my document now, can you see now it's turned to blue violet and it's having. So that's how we can control our table width. We can control our table background color and the color itself. So that's how we can do it. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. All this tutorial you can check it in our CSS table playlist. We are still on CSS table playlist to be able to follow along easily. You can check it. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you.